This Nuovoware 60-inch ice scraper and brush feels solidly built, with a tough plastic blade that bites into frozen buildup without flexing or chattering across the glass. The rotating brush head, with staggered bristles and a wide face, makes it surprisingly easy to clear both heavy snow and lighter slush from awkward corners of the windshield and roof. Its extendable aluminum handle reaches from standard length out to a full 60 inches, so you can clean the roof and center of larger sport utility vehicles and trucks without climbing or overreaching. The dense bristles are firm enough to push wet or packed snow, yet gentle on paint and trim, so you can work quickly without worrying about leaving fine scratches behind. A thick foam grip along the handle keeps your hands more comfortable in the cold and gives good control even when you are wearing bulky winter gloves. The 5-piece design breaks down into compact sections and fits into the included storage bag, which makes it easy to keep the whole kit organized in the trunk between storms.